What if the tool you choose to run your dropshipping store is quietly deciding how much profit you make every day? Most people get this wrong, but here's why choosing the right automation platform matters more than your product. Today, we're comparing AutoDS and DSers to see which one is actually better for most sellers. Both AutoDS and DSers are dropshipping automation tools that help you import products, sync prices, manage orders, and track shipments. On the surface, they seem similar, but the experience is very different. AutoDS is an all-in-one platform. It supports multiple suppliers and marketplaces, including Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, and eBay. You can source products from many regions, set pricing rules, automate orders, and even use product research tools. You won't believe what happens next when your entire store can run almost on autopilot. DSers, on the other hand, is built mainly for AliExpress and Shopify users. It is the official AliExpress partner and focuses on fast order processing and bulk actions. If your business relies heavily on AliExpress, DSers feels very smooth and stable. AutoDS shines with its advanced automation. It can auto-update prices, stock, and even fulfill orders automatically. This saves hours each week. However, it comes with higher monthly fees, especially as your store grows. DSers is more affordable and simpler. It allows you to place hundreds of orders at once and choose the best supplier, but it does not support as many marketplaces or advanced features. The surprising truth is that AutoDS is better for scaling and multi-supplier stores, while DSers is perfect for beginners using AliExpress. Choose based on your business model, not the hype. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce tool comparisons.